I'm coming. Yeah, hello. Yeah, me name Delcita. For me gate. The woman if you dare me gate, you know, come on in my yard and tap we see all of me credit. Outside.
You're Delcita?
Yeah, you call me little while.
Oh, yes.
Me know your face. Yeah, man, your face always come on TV when they got disaster. Oh. Look here, you will have to me ziggy blow off in a storm and he blow by the woman there and look here back one alone.
I'm not here to speak to you about that, you know.
Oh, election? Me never vote. Me no idea.
No, I'm not here to speak to you on that either.
I want it.
You see, my name is Dr. Susan Fest.
Rotted, me must be sick bad then.
Well, I hope not. You see, I'm here from Kingston.
Kingston?
Yes.
Kingston?
Yes.
Why? Murder, why? Why? My boyfriend, he drive taxi, mom, and he left here this morning, can't want trip gone at all. Me tell him no go.
Listen.
He lick you at all, mom? No. No, talking God shooting kill you at all?
It's nothing like that, you know.
What then?
You're Delcita, right?
Yeah.
You have two sisters, one by the name of Jennifer.
I want you and Pamela True, woman that got me a come and go tell about it with Jesus, me say, Pamela and Jennifer, they bright so tell. You see, Pamela and Jennifer, they there one university where play.
Germany.
Oh, you know, sir. Yes. Me say, me could not do that with them, you know. But you see, there when me mother send me if you go take a common chance exam.
You mean common entrance?
Yeah, that one day, I seek so tell. So me mother say, all right, no worry yourself, try again. But by that time there, the government cut 30 common chance. And they come in to do an exam named NAP. You remember NAP? Yes, man. And my mother buy up me book them, you know. And my teacher, they back at me, you know. And me say, their exam, you know. Me go in an exam ready like a Freddy and drop asleep.
You don't have to be a businesswoman to speak business, you know.
All right, Guanta. Me I listen, Guanta.
Tell me something, my dear. How would you like to get pregnant?
Miss, when you not come, you see, you pass cheap bikini road, let's
3 wonderful girls playing like crazy outside.
Yeah, man, 3 wonderful Maga girls. Kaki got shoot. When me I do it belly again, when me I do it more bikini again. You saw them Maga, then them born Maga, you know, because me can't feed them. If me get pregnant again, somebody would have got to pay me.
What is your full name?
My full name, Delcita Coldwater. Wait, where you do?
I'm writing you a check.
Okay, you got change it.
You take it to the bank and you get it changed.
Doctor, when you come, me tell you, say, me no have no ID. You see, me boyfriend, he could have changed it with the driver's license, you know, but I don't feel him face step on him.
You're something else.
Me no understand, you know. When me I do it check, next thing check bunks and me left with belly.
Come here! Outside and bread, who shall get egg and cobweb? Manana meat.
Look here, man. I hate me fine, hate me cook, I hate union.
I like your attitude to somebody where I catch. Watch and say me not gonna dismiss you.
Where you
say so. And I say, I want to eat it in about where you have damage. Driver! Don't provoke me. Ram too much. You know, say so not a year ramp.
So how today go?
Me not get a car for driving at them level.
Man, I don't care, no get for drive. I kind of want car school pitney.
School penny can buy gas.
But do you want cook a full basket?
Me not exercise no patience so that we need one Mandela still leave her. No, don't get me involved. You know, the sufferation stamp on your face.
Alright, look for the rich people, they much picking it in.
One.
Sometimes they don't got none. I look for a week. Don't have dry nothing on my backside. I got chi.
You know, I don't like your style. You know, see the rich people them pretty. They not the time for breed the ugly people like you for go and breed and keep your body like guinea pig.
The rich people, they're pretty.
God no.
You want the rich people, them?
Honestly.
When last you see right back?
So you're unfair, though. Me not say them something with them lay down beside you, and look by him and say, Jesus, what a little boy lucky if you watch Dopey Show every night. You know you mash up my looks. Don't be this like a face when you feel a photocopy. I will teach you that word there. Yeah, well, like everybody used to condom. I sick, you want sick? I couldn't do them wicked something that they'll do, so I just use that blend bag pan you.
We know that you know no money, but you want. You see a money? Try your best and go back and tell the loan officer pick you alone and take you by your back so condom. Because you see, as of now on, you're going to have to put your sperm somewhere else.
Thanks. I tell you already, you know. You say if you can't turn and bone, cut around now!
Tell me. Me in the house?
Yes, Daddy, you're in.
It look pretty. The house look good. The damn boy we came in and tell me. The boy I drive like in the Pan Vernon field. I said to the boy, tap me piss. The boy wouldn't tap. I said, young man, tap me piss. The boy tell me, tap the car, jump out of the car. I just piss by the driver's seat. After all.
Young man, bring those bags in for me and hurry up.
Allah ya tell, outside and bright. Welcome to the Pegasus Hotel. Talk to me now. I want me to make care with the man pissing now. I want to vacuum that. When I talk loud on the summer vulgar, look what the man do. My problem is I'm a customer. Come out of my way. You know how you look like somebody piss on you. The man piss up in the case, should have me for clean that. You think me should clean that? Tell the God Almighty truth. Talk to me now. You stand up like you're a mannequin. No man, this don't look good. You dumb. Oh Lord. Momo! 2,500, Jesus. And the first me see this. Look how you big and dumb. See, you can't say nothing and tell out of your mouth. Say, boo! 2,500. All you have a right for them. Look how your mouth big and ugly. Oh, Lord. 2,500. Me not tell you a lie. Remember the grade 1 book will say, I am a boy. I am big. See my bag here. Jesus. No, man. 2,500, my friend. There's so many rights in the world. So nobody not trouble you when you're young. 2,500.
Young man, how much do I owe?
I'm sorry. Oh, what kind of nest this man up in now? The blind, the deaf, and them. Me I come up before me cripple.
Wait, how we must face it? How we are blind deaf and dumb? How we are shut up, boy? Eh? How we are shut up? How we are shut up? After all. Here are making ones.
How much I owe?
How are you, though? Me can't take your money. My conscience are beat me. Me never knew it was a rescue home. Jesus. You know them here good goodie. You see, if you want vroom vroom, she not understand that. They not gonna pay. Oh, so something here. See my number here. Ping pong, pong pong, put it there. Then I saw deaf people ignorant. No, man. No, not talk to me, no. How can I make this on the family, them, though? No, sister, no curse. And one somebody alone can't clear this, and Jesus! They'll come here alone, can't drink half this. Go for one cup and make you some frat. And the new juice, they will come down in and stand up in the night till daylight. No one of them.
D, no bother with that, because that not go help you. Look here now. You know say me a go eh? You know say me a go a foreign door. You don't know what I go on at daytime, you know. You don't know what I go on. Barack Obama called me, say me fit come.
Then.
Yeah, man, yeah, you hear what me say. You're not get no stroke, you're not dead, and you're not deaf. Me a gone foreign left you, so hear what? You ain't gonna see me no more.
Hey. They'll like a foreign, she get the accent, but she not get the baby, you know. They'll let you have to go baby, because the animal planet, the man don't go carry a pan.
D!
How are
Jesus, is what me I left you for?
This nice.
The politician call.
I lie. So me tell the politician boy say me have the phone. I mean talk the things.
But they are politician.
And so hello.
Are you the driver?
Where you are?
Well, I'm looking for a personal driver.
You know, so when I freak this on the phone, what the hell is freak? Hello, Milk.
driver or not? Well, I'm looking for a personal driver to drive my husband.
How will you know about me? I mean, you want some Bluetooth? How would this?
My husband is a politician. I want you to take him to and from work.
Lord Jesus. Then you want me to give us a man, look at me, put your docket like in your clinic. Then it's where your husband lives, come and really want to work in a man. Thank you, Jesus.
Can you recall the address you dropped a blind man off the other day?
Where's that? Where's that a while ago?
A blind man, you took him to this address?
No, what me telling about the blind man say? Me not telling you, so me not care, I'm going to make him piss too much. Wanna fix him blood yet? You know the word me, I tell it, I walk me fear flush. Me not doing it, God know me not do it. No care my book and hunger, me not doing it.
You know the blind man is my father.
You know what? I threw my anxiety chip in. Sorry. Sorry. My friend, me can ask you a question?
Mm-hmm.
The blind man is the father, right?
Yeah.
The definite is what to you? No. Between me and you know nervous up there. A pure damage goods there, you know. You're going to go show you're brave.
So can I expect you at 10?
10 a.m. or p.m. I don't do night work in a car. I don't call girl and my body can't go up to night room. I not properly immunized, so come on.
10 a.m.
All right, my love. Jesus, she brave.
I'm tired, man. I mean, one up there, one out, no couldn't come. Jesus. Can't go no more, God. Jesus. Miss, the doctor said I say, they might take his sperm from your husband and put in a me a man.
Yes, that's so true, so true.
Oh, so you get help and put on up for me already? What?
You'll be living here with us like a
Where my child say? Where say?
She said, you'll be living here with us like a family.
Oh, you live here too?
Oh, no. You'll be living here with Miss Thelma and her husband.
Oh, her husband. Her husband! Me glad you mentioned husband. Miss, talk to your husband, you know. Warn him. If you ever try to jump me and tabby me fart.
How dare you bring a violent woman into my house?
She's not a violent
Me not violent. And that we do no man who no love talk truth. It's rare we there as woman and talk it truth. If one man want take you something, my name give man you something. You want to tab him? Well, make your husband make him here and try a thing with me in here. He my first one I hang.
That's it.
I like how we there, make we start out everything. Me want me one room, me one TV, and me want regular credit for call back a country. Me no know where you cook and me no care where you name, me only name chicken back and dumpling.
What is wrong with you? Now, you listen to me. You'll be living here with Miss Thelma and her husband, so you have to stick to a special diet.
Plus, she'll have to attend exercise classes and coaching sessions for delivery.
Mr. Olympics done. Me no understand you. Me a picking and me never go through none of them me a sitting here yet. When me a dollar me in a pound seat a mess.
after the baby is born.
After the baby is born, I bet claim you can't me come. No, it's alright. Me never left me out to come so far.
You can go.
Look here, what? You are the shepherd. When the three wise men come, then we find film picking the excuse.
No.
Sorry.
Delcita!
You can't come dictate in terms as if you're the one hiring us.
Rude. No, doctor, you hear her in there?
It's a behavior.
No, you see me trouble her? No, Taki got you. Me say nothing wrong when me go in there. No, let me go, man. You tear up me clothes, you know, let me
Leave
go.
the nerve of some people.
Look here. From me come up here, me notice that you this a hypey and a clumsy, right? And a attitude. But look here, me not really want rude to you. But Barack Obama say yes we can. Can you breathe? No, doctor, what me I say? Media coach, right? I mean, how a little man. He my wife and you know, hand up, you know, see you now, okay.
I'm sorry about that.
I think you need to control it, you know, because this is a total waste of my time. Now, my husband is not here. He's in Miami for 2 weeks, and he would have to approve you. So now would be a good time for you to leave.
Husband not here, so I have to approve me. So you really pick me up and carry me come a bureau of standards. No. So at 2 weeks, 2 years, man, now go there for 2 weeks, you go sit down up here and no sex. No, man, you don't know something wrong up here, man.
What exactly did you tell this girl? There'll be no sex here. I can't imagine you having disgusting.
I can't imagine you. Look here, you up here and have sex and nothing not go on for you. You don't need you, me need you.
You cut it right there.
No, but doctor, that me I talk about, you know. Doctor, you didn't give me profile when I come up here. You didn't tell us your Delcita, my name. You don't tell her about my website, www.whendelcitahavesex.com. Problem. When I give you a link to the website there, you know. When me put a password for it, so that means that me have it locked. What that's stupid. Doctor, you see me do nothing? I can't tell about control. You look like fire man, you're there for birth control. Yeah, man. If she want me up here, you know, she don't know that she have to make me comfortable. And when me say comfortable, me mean very, very comfortable. Or else, you see you not have no children around here.
Oh my Lord, that's so pretty, bright and colorful and famous Sesame Street. And rich people live here. Them kitchen big and nice though, I like it. On TV, I don't miss them talking. hate one story. I love them house, yeah. Them get things all when you ask for it. And them life, I'm feeling. But not to the like, only if Delcita gonna see me now.
Driver.
Yeah.
Driver.
I owe that.
Where's this damn man? Driver.
It's all that. Driver. Yes, sir, my foot stuck in the carpet.
Me tell them not left me one up here, you know?
No.
Come in, bossy.
No.
Yes,
okay.
bossy.
No, but you say you just
Come in, man. Lord, man.
Like
Come in.
somebody
Hey, me
just
tell you,
come
everybody down the road say, you must be nice and colorful. You must feel like Big Bird. Up here, nice, bad. I have your one piece over here stuck. Yeah. No, man, I will get a fifth hand set here from. It's busy though.
Hello.
No,
Hello.
get this.
Hello.
No, man, it's not like God, no.
Hello.
You know, get you.
Come on. Come. Come. Come here, man.
Don't do that. It is a dog you're calling. You don't come like any damn scandal bag. I don't like it, man. I don't play so rough. Sure.
You know something? I realized that when my wife hired you, she didn't explain the rules and regulations for you, you know. Well, let me tell you something, you see. You see, when we pull up in the driveway, you get out, you come around and you open my door. Now that allows me out. You gather my things, you follow me up the walkway. When we get to the front door, you come around and you open that for me. Now that allows me inside. When we come in, you put my things down, you take yourself back out. Under no circumstance do you cross that imaginary line right there. Are we clear?
Tracy, me shake my head and my nerves bad. So tell me something, why nobody never come over there, sir? What does show over there, sir?
It's just that the help does not cross the line.
Oh no, wicked, don't fear the help and stand up right here, so for the entire day. What a wicked set of people. And she have a faith and courage for all of your position. Nothing right, God no. And me you call help.
Now listen to me. I'm going to need you to stop by party headquarters and drop off a package. After you leave there, they will give you a package you take to Rose at the office.
You see Bolt. Slow down. The record broke already. I say I'm going to give my mother something for the children. I'm tired.
I'm almost certain I didn't hear you correctly, you know.
You never hear me say? I show them the tax, I'm short of low voltage. I'm tired! Child, I'm blind. I'm tired. I'm not doing it.
So, let me ask you something, you see? Let me ask you something. When you came here begging for this job, you see?
Oh boy, man.
Didn't it then dawn on you that just maybe you were going to need time off to go visit your mother to give her something for the hungry belly picnic that we have a country?
Who is this big thinking church out, man?
No. You're damn right, you.
No, man, I know me and my family. Hey, man, you remember put on my bloomers and pumps and wire, you know, boy.
You know, it's quite obvious that you have no idea who the hell you're talking to.
Don't feel special. The last time I Google your name, it says still searching. Damn right. Yeah. Oh, just somebody. Yeah. Yeah, nobody. Not even the director your name, the girl.
You know, it's people like you. It is people like you who are driving this country into the ground.
And the politicians like you make the country so stinking. You know, nobody no one Bluetooth you. Where?
I don't have to take this. I do not have to take this. Put my keys down and get out. You're fired.
And what do you Scooby-Doo do?
Get out.
You want this?
Get out.
And not my fault, you know.
Get out.
A good mother and a creative father bring a talented child.
Oh.
You get left. And not my fault to shape like ultra down.
Get out. Yeah, went and out of order. I don't have to put up with this. I refuse to put up with this. All of this is Thelma's fault. He has simply said to her, find me a driver. And that is what you could have come up with. Nah, man, I am not going to tell me I have to come in here.
You can't fire me because you never hire me. And you won't score me. So talk to me now. What time you want me to pick you up? Hour. You know, like the last part of that. I swear to God, anybody who will not vote for us, so we'll put them up. You see how they make them out just sketch diarrhea. So talk to me now. Up here quiet, man. Everybody turn Catholic. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Lord. Sorry, my bad. It look like him locked. Let her pull him.
You know what? Pick me up at 7:30.
8 o'clock, me not get up out of my bed so early. You know cute. Outside, I'm like, don't run them serious joke with my bed. And I credit my bed, I debit that. You see, on the stage, though, no go like my tongue alone and no government. When I couldn't tell me, say, Dagger, you full of so much attitude. You mean I get the blind and I see the woman come, my friend, I can't stand people. Please, me, I beg you. And I used to my eye, just one. And I answer, we should come in, prostitute. Come in. Make yourself comfortable like everybody else. Come in, man. Yeah. Lord, what's a drill idea? My friend, you know him long time. If you know him long time, what make you have to dress up so? In an old man pearl and painted bag. You buy the wrong bag, though, because stone catches not milk pan.
Behave yourself.
I know, sister, storm time now. Where you going lightning catcher? Turn around, every now and then I get a little bit.
Mr. Jones, what in God's name is that you have inside here? Good gosh, man.
You know that? Thelma? Hey, man, there's somebody out here, man. All that's in the garden is a goat. you know, it's funny, you know, because I've never seen a goat eat a cherry tree. Hey, shoo! I said, shoo! Shoo, man! I said, shoo, me rot in the summer. No, man! No! No! No, man! No!
Man! You know, say me check say your wife did call you everything sort out already.
Sort out? There's only one thing to be sorted out, you see, and that is your bus way back to wherever you come from.
Hey, Mr. Can't breed nobody. Hey, you know what say? Me did your country and live me humble life. And me never tell nobody. Say me want breed fee. Nobody. Say you see if you don't want me in your yard, pay me up. Pay me up and me go country.
You must be Hey, you! Don't go away. Come here. Come here. What am I paying her for? No. I said, what the hell am I paying her for?
What you mean what you paying me for? Me listen to actual daytime, you know. I mean, no say, anyhow you not pay me money, me can sue you for breach of contract.
You go sue me. Sue me. Hey, sort this out. Sort it hell out.
Delcita, what is wrong with you? You can't talk about lawsuit right now. You have no money.
Look here, we might not have money, but you're a liar out there when we take me case per percentage. Wait, why not bother me for? Look for me good, no, look for me good. Me look like Abe Dabdom. Shut up.
I'm sorry about that.
No. I don't want to apologize for me.
Just understand.
No. I'm not understanding nothing. You need to understand it. No. I need to express myself clearly, you know that. Because, I mean, I am totally dissatisfied with the choice for this unfortunate arrangement, you know. I mean, you took all that money from me. You went all the way to the country, and you came back with the bottom of the barrel.
She's no bottom of no barrel. Good girl.
Mr. Jones, as much as me look so, if them pack me up in a last bottom of one barrel, mother want you on top of me.
No.
Hey, listen. Deal with this, Deal with it, because if I deal with it, you're not going to like it,
Okay, let me speak with her. Just let me speak with her. Delcita, what in God's name is wrong with you, woman?
You see me trouble him.
Mr. Jones, I'm sorry about this. This has never happened. I'm sorry.
Dr. First.
I'm sorry.
Dr. First! I'm going to implore you, you know, to please extricate this imbecile from within my domain. Post haste!
Yeah, man, I saw you go on. But you don't want me to understand when you say you chat foolishness.
No.
Now, if it's a nine of me, I got me out.
Delcita?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not going anywhere.
What?
Will you allow this thing to work and stop behaving like an idiot?
I'm an idiot.
This is not a political platform, so don't bother with the foolishness.
After all that just happening here, I am an idiot.
Nothing is wrong with Delcita. Behind all of that, she's actually a wonderful girl.
Oh, yes. Behind all of that, you know, she's really a wonderful girl.
Oh, Mr. Jones. I can't even get to look behind all of that.
You know something, Emma? You don't seem to realize, you know, that this is making a mockery of who I am in this country. How am I going to be expected to run my constituency? I better yet the country if I can't even run my own yard.
But I'm going to ample time in your son, I must don't know. God no. Randy, you ready? Ow. You catch him. Saying about the girl where I take.
What's girl?
One shot black girl, man. You know about her? What do you mean, man? You're going to get man an angel. You're not sent from ever, you know? Huh? You know about her? PR.
It is because of pressure from you we have gotten this far. We need to decide here and now. Are we going to do this?
Yes. We need to decide here and now. Are we going to do this, yes or not?
How can I ask this one up here? No, man, me get 12 in mathematics, so let me sum up this. 1 sum, 2 sum. Ultra down here, bad na blow!
Look at what has happened in westerly north-south New Kingston. Jones is ahead by 70 votes. What a turnaround. Now we might as well call this one. Randy Jones is going to win the South East St. Andrew seat for his party.
No, hold on. Let us not call it yet. Shit!
You cannot say that on radio.
I'm sorry. The Broadcasting Commission is going to make a meal of this one. I'm so sorry. I think Jones is going to lose after all. This guy came into politics clean as a whistle, no bad press about him, no corruption. He seems almost too clean to be a politician.
I guess that's why he's going to lose. Now this guy came out of nowhere and gave the incumbent a solid run for his money. His efforts is going down the toilet. He campaigned on strong family values and clean politics. He runs a very successful engineering firm. He seems to be well prepared for politics, but will now have to wait for another 4 to 5 years. He was a good opposition spokesman on agriculture though.
Hold on. Look over there in the right column. He is a story of a comeback kid. This guy Jones is going nowhere. It seems from what we're seeing here that he has won the election by 22 votes.
22 votes? This one is heading straight to the courts. Jones has won the constituency by only 22 votes.
They stuff your box, good man. You see? You're empty now, you know? Oh, God, Amy, happy for you, you know? Oh, God. They wouldn't understand. You can imagine me baby father Then now when you come out compose like double blank suffer. Our TV now your room now. You don't realize? He look like he don't see. You don't see? Me baby father win.
Excuse me?
Oh, it was we baby father win. Yeah, hello? Yeah, man. We know say win. What are we know say win? We happy so say. Who you talk to? Oh, me and baby mother. Yeah, and he upstairs with his wife. It's one we live here, man, but we cool like cucumber.
We win! Raise up here! Politics next! We win! We win! We win! Come on, yourself! You don't know, so we win. You're not TV in the house. Yeah, man, put on your winning smile. Ray, lad. What a way to keep them colorful.
You know, driver, this has been a memorable day, man.
And me for tell you about it. You want to the amount of box them when me run with that you for talk about. I never know such TV in my blood until today. I tell my old man with him bright said about him 7.2 bucks. I said, boy, what you do? Boy, come on for that politics time. Outside and bright.
Personally, I have to give you thanks,
Thanks alone, now going to do, Because one kick on my shoe sketch double joint, watch out.
Well, I never realized, that there was so much protocol associated with politics, Did you know that for you to be employed in the government service, you have to be a member of the civil service? Did you know that? No,
not in a lie, when you still a preach your body, man.
No, man, but as I learn about it, I have to share the knowledge, Because what I realized...
Hello, I'm going to beg you hurry up my earring, I don't.
No, man, what I've learned is, Driver, what I've learned, you see, with my elevation to the status as MP, I realize now that there's already a driver assigned to me via the civil service. So, unfortunately, you won't be able to drive for me anymore. But don't worry yourself, I've already spoken to the guys at the carpool and they're working on something for you. So you won't be left in the cold.
Tell.
No, man, it's a protocol.
How for protocol?
It's a civil service, but...
So I'm not civil.
No, driver, that's not it, It's not a personal thing, though, if it was up to me, the job would be yours. But unfortunately, we have to abide by the government guidelines. You understand?
So what you saying?
Well, I'm saying that, unfortunately, I can't do nothing. Nothing at all. Nothing. No, that's basically it. I can't, my hands are tied. But you understand, right? You sure? You understand? No, I can't, but I need to make sure that you understand what I'm saying to you because we can't afford to have disgruntled people running around the place. You understand what I'm saying?
I'm not gruntled.
No. But driver, look at me and talk to me, man. Listen, the reason why this has... Driver, isn't that my phone?
You know me can't buy BlackBerry.
So how did you come by it?
Don't tell a lie upon me. You see my teeth nothing?
No. I never accused you of anything, and quite frankly, I'm happy to...
Hey, and that's how this thing work. You move up now, leave this behind in remembrance of Randy Jones.
You know something, driver? I refuse to believe that you of all people would attempt to extort me, man.
What a big word you drop on little me. You see me look like dictionary?
Driver.
John, no, every time I look on this, I remember my 3 girl picking them hungry.
No. Driver, you don't have to worry about your girls, man, because the moment I won this election, you see, I said to myself, if I do nothing else as an MP, I have to get drivers 3 girls from the country and into a proper school in the city. I was really just waiting on you to tell me what school you wanted them to go to.
Calabar.
Calabar? All right, if you say so.
I'm on a new vehicle. Me don't want nothing too dear and too fancy. I want something calm and simple.
All right, we had some Nissan Sunnies in the campaign. We must be able to get you one of those.
Who you getting Nissan? You see me look sunny? Give me my father drive. You're too mean.
No, my mother, last time I checked, my father was driving a Range Rover.
You're welcome.
All right. We seem to have an understanding now, right, driver? So just hand over the phone and I will pretend that none of this ever happened.
No, man, you're all on there.
No, but you can't go in the phone.
Hello?
Driver, listen.
Oh, Jesus, no. Hey, man, you're not blind me.
Driver.
I want to see how you eat and it look like you can't down.
Driver.
How will you do with your mouth?
Driver.
How did you, Trevor? Let off of me. Let off of me.
Driver. Listen, you can't be doing this.
No, man. Look how long me I drive for you. Woman can never tell me say your tongue no karate. Jesus. Watch your tongue in the pan.
Driver.
I'm not telling a lie, you're the only man can get Trevor run for your money.
Driver.
Hey, you know your tongue big like a beach towel.
Driver.
I'm not all you want is 2 ATM machines for just swipe.
Driver. Listen to me, no man.
Yeah.
All of that is private and confidential. You can't afford to let it out. Give me the phone.
You mad? You know, so I have no cable, no DVD. I for go and keep me eye occupied. You come, swipe. Oh, Lord. All if your Prime Minister ever see this film, they say, not Not in my cabinet. That's why not good for drink, but you can't pronounce it.
Trevor, why are you sitting on the floor? Come on over here and sit beside me.
I'm drunk, but I'm not fool. Your husband said never pass the line, Delilah. You must know since Samson here just a come.
Driver, my husband is not here. So you are free to come and go whenever you like.
Hi, you don't pull me, man. Man, you send off the alarm. After a while, you know your man stay ready. Holy Ghost. Blessed assurance. Rock of ages. You can't tickle his sheep, man. Stop it.
So you like it?
Hey, you're top right there, so.
But Driver, I just find you so attractive. And you know, that is why I find it so hard to keep my hands off you. I just think that you're so precise and accurate.
The calculator always give the correct figure.
You know, it's kind of hot in here. Can I take your shirt off?
Many men catch pneumonia and they can't want pee, man.
So can I get you something to drink?
What you have?
I have some Hennessy.
Give me it with syrup.
So Driver, do you have a girlfriend?
Eh?
Do you have a girlfriend?
One beautiful girl. She entered Miss World one time and them sent her back home because of grudge. Yeah. The judges say fear beauty, them can't understand it, they have no security code. Wow. Give me more, me tell you rest. And that tastes like it's so spoiled, so throw a wall in.
So do you have any children? Driver?
Eh?
Do you have any kids?
Quarter dozen. And me I work on a heap like orange.
3 kids?
Mm-hmm.
At such a young age?
You gotta believe it.
You know, you must be quite a guy.
Mm-hmm.
So Driver, have you ever cheated on your girlfriend? Driver? So Driver, have you ever cheated on your girl?
Not yet. Me feel like me dey on one farm. You got milk?
You know, you're so funny. But I have something to show you.
Wait there.
It's upstairs.
Lord Jesus, you can't come down.
No, man, I want to show it to you personally. You don't want to see?
Mama's come.
She's crying and dying. She needs some proper love. She's crying and dying. She needs some.
No, take a belly, make me go.
Delcita, you know you can't. I'll work something out.
Your mother,
I'll
oh
work
God.
something out.
I'm picking it up. Oh God, that I can't
Let me just give me a chance to work it out. can work it out. No. I mean, we could send her next door. No.
Come on, get up. Come on. Woman.
Oh, Jesus.
Relax, take a deep breath.
Please, may I beg you, Jesus. Do me, I beg you. Me don't want to go foreign, Jesus. Send me back home, please, Jesus.
Put your back. I the chain we take up here. But D, it look like me take ranch right.
Del.
Yeah?
You did send for me. So we made you a foreign. Me no want you a foreign.
Would you stop the silly crying?
Me not see me a ball. Sure. And look at me before I start over now.
D, I know what you think, you know. And that lady a play come a baby for somebody and a bun me.
And the money you give me Del. Then you rent out your body. Me a tell you what
Shut up!
Ah, Jesus, I'm with me. I got done ball. This no fear. God knows.
When you think you're paying you a chance to work this out, let me tell you something. Delcita is pregnant because I placed sperm in her. She's pregnant for a couple who cannot bear a child. So don't come up here and jump to the wrong conclusion. She didn't give you bun or anything of this sort.
Yeah. Bushman. I know. I know hear one thing when you just say start over.
Delcita is pregnant because I placed sperm in her.
Okay. So you could have got a coat say about the fridge, yeah? I never say about it on the fridge now, Del. You put up things for people.
D, just listen to a doctor.
Then say the doctor to me now before intro.
See that?
Where? Yes! Come on to my face, you twerp!
You have some respect for my higher education, boy! You are falling out of line precipitously. And it would be best if you decelerate your ignorance on this matter. Because it's succeeding you in a colossal waste of my time. You nincompoop. Good gosh.
Don't get me topsy-turvy. The preposterousness of what you do to my woman is absurd, doctor. As for you, would be flabbergasted to know that what I am contemplating now is not on the vein of pleasant undertakings.
Stay away from me.
Doctor! You hear me, man? Me man go learn Spanish.
You don't understand nothing when I say. Oh, Lord. Little girl. You want it in English, darling? Ever lick it?
No!
I'm going to lick out your dirty blood.
Why? Help! Jesus! Woo!
Did you know what? I'm going to empty your mouth.
No! Oh God! No! Leave her alone! Jesus!
You want to poke in your face with this?
You will not touch her inside here.
Let me get an instant walk.
You let her be.
Them appear me!
You think you're your friend?
Wow! Them appear me!
No, Jesus, and then for money I get me, I want so far home. Lay down. Jesus, Miss Devil, stay with Wright. Come back there, don't look to me, tell me how much you get, please.
500,000.
Go on now. $2 million. Yeah, serious work. This is complications. 12 foot and big nose.
Okay, $2 million. But do not let your boss or Thelma know about this.
A secret. So we can never tell me a secret. I never knew it was a secret. I have bad belly, I can't keep down nothing. Come here, my friend. Tap it up to $3 million, please. May I beg you?
$3 million? No.
If she not give her what we are going to do.
Me not dash my belly.
Thank you.
You call me back.
My hurt! God know my hurt! I'm go out there now, go Baba Will and people in the more than me. All my legs up on your skin sharp like bubblegum. So damn bright. Hey, come here. What are we breathing a little girl up here? Couldn't look at donkey for breathing dirty, man. Even if you want him to jump up in your face, no boy, nah, yo. But you may know you're going to lick my back. When I know boots me up.
You know what is your problem? You always come barge into people's houses, you know, and then you run off your mouth about things that you know nothing about.
Remember, see me write the newspaper and I know everything where I want to go to grapevine. Do I know that? Outside, I'm right. Talk to me.
I assume you're referring to Delcita, right?
It struck a nerve.
Well, for your information, Delcita got paid $6 million to have that child, eh?
Somebody pass my pressure pill. Me not feel so beautiful. That dirty doctor wait until I wall her.
What are you referring to?
I know your argument this, sir. And the doctor will come up on the health program a man in time.
Oh, okay. Well, listen to me. I tried to tie up all of my loose ends around the place, you see? So you see that phone you're holding on to?
The phone again?
Yeah, man.
You're coming like a big piece of rabbit right into the stomach.
You know, Driva, I don't think you realize just how much you're pushing it in.
I know me not push it, me not stop till you go over the cliff.
So you really think you can hold on to that phone forever, don't you?
Mr. Driver, I'm change gear regular. Let me tell you a story, because you don't understand something, you know. Once upon a time, there was a little boy sitting in the riverbank. The alligator said to the little boy, "Little boy, come into the water, let us show you something." The little boy said, "Go on, feet, bring, come at my seat." The alligator laughed and said, "Caca fart in the bed laptop, Ray."
So, Driva.
Eh?
The alligator laugh and say, what?
I don't know how much you get for your flesh, but I don't get $1.5 million for your skin. You have to fix them, but you know.
So, but I don't see the relevance of that story.
Yes, I'm right, man. Figure it out, man. I will erase there, Pandy.
You know, you're right. I am not right, man, and I figure it out, and I figure that I'm tired that you're
Jesus! No, suppose if I drop on my head back and can't remember nothing. I trim them half guard in a come. No, I can't fight. That's why I don't like fight and quint.
Oh. You love to tell stories, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
I have a story for you. Come in. Come.
Alligator.
Come close. A little close.
And about the shark.
Once upon a time, you see, we're talking about right here in Jamaica, you know. We had this very popular politician. So this politician had a little henchman that went around and did all his dirty deeds, you know. But after a while, the henchman started to believe that he was as powerful as the politician. One day, he had an altercation with the politician's wife. And you wouldn't guess what he did.
Remember me just, man.
He boxed the woman down flat on the ground.
No, man, I see what's up with this. What a dirty man like that, man. A woman's strength him about a should have me box. Oh, me I just flick like a dollar kind.
But you know, I'm not sure exactly where in Dove cut his headstone, you see.
Oh, Jesus, somebody flick him up here. Then you have me a cuss dead man after me not be yellow catch for Belfie. What are you, man? Oh.
Or I would have sent you up here to have a look at it.
King Kong. You see me look like cemetery security? You ever see me walk on the dopey behind me, I know you try, but it now work. A friend you try friend me. Me a boy, me no name bread for my heart.
So, you think I need to try and frighten you?
I never seen a police when you're down here. That simple tell me that you're not bad.
Well, let me tell you something, you see? You see, I wanted to get rid of you. All I would have needed to do would have been that.
Then you're fooling, eh? But I can't remember that it's you bring me come here. Eh? I have me a route to you. Sorry, mommy. Sure. For 9 months, you've carried me, growing inside of you. I'm afraid of you.
You think that I need to send for somebody to deal with you?
Yeah, that's my step.
So you think that because I'm a politician and I have to carry myself a certain way, you can take certain steps with me and I can't do nothing about it?
Yep.
Well, let me tell you something, you see. As a matter of fact, dirty boy.
Oh, Jesus, I joke me.
I can't go down in that.
I joke me.
You know, Delcita just delivered a while ago.
Boy or girl?
5 boys and 1 girl.
Thelma, I must tell you here, my job here is finished and I would like to have the rest of my money. Thank you.
What exactly do you mean by your job here is finished? Did you take a look in that room? You need to sort that mess out to come here talking about money.
Mess? What mess are you talking about?
You're so incompetent. Leave this in.
And you're so blasted ungrateful. I cannot imagine. I cannot even think about it. You sit on your lazy behind and couldn't have 1. And I gave you 6. 6 for heaven's sake. Why don't you go round them up and make a nursery out of them, woman? Let me tell you something. We've been friends for quite a while, you know. So let's not let money get in our way. Cause 1 injection and you're out.
So is that a threat?
Read between the lines, you're a bright woman. Good God. Last ungrateful. Couldn't have 1 and I gave you 6 and you sit there complaining. Good gosh.
Miss Thelma, me tired, ma'am. God know me tired. Me can't go no further, mom. A 2 breasts, God bless me with another 6 of them around there, you know.
What is it that you want me to do, Delcita?
Pay me balance and me money make me good, oh, mom. And me 1 and the 6 of them and then crib them, then me can't take it.
You know, I want you to listen to me, and I want you to listen to me very carefully, see? Out of the 6, you will have to go home with 4, because I can only manage to take 2.
Me if you go home with 4. So when you see me I walk around pregnant, make you not tell me say how they are put in.
Listen now, Delcita. You're going to have to take those 4 and go home with. Because the money you were getting was sufficient to take care of the children.
Doctor, you know say a 40 a chat do. You know from earth to heaven, you know, say me got 3 pick in your country, 3. And me pick your home, 4 and 3. 4 and 3 hour 8. Me now go with them.
I feel ungrateful. You get out of my way. For of mercy, goodness.
Hey, this is signal, man. You bounce me now. Choker. Oh, Jesus. I hope you shot of vitamin C. What a big orange.
Me glad say you come.
What? You know it?
Yeah.
Shh. I'm a pet.
Make him move and go here, me man. So, Mr. Jones, since you get the money, you take him my jacket.
What are you talking about, Delcita?
It's 6 round there, sir. How for you them for sure?
It seems so, Delcita.
You sure?
Yep.
D, you remember the time when me tell us that me I go to New York and we cut the last little piece? You did use condom?
Come on, so the people them clean nice house with your dusty body.
It's alright. Don't worry yourself. Me I come out. You don't know what happened to you. You don't know say 6 you get round there. Yes, man. Me know your man love play that. Me know when you don't go lick your 6.
Honey, you know I'm pregnant.
Oh my God. Oh my God. My daughter pregnant.
Really, Thelma? Oh, God. Thelma, really?
Yes. Hey, Ronnie, me never like you know, but now that here with me, a grandfather, they told to look good together. I'm proud of you. Aye. I feel real good.
You know, Ronnie? Ronnie, I did not say it was yours.
And Thelma, if it's not mine, then it's yours. Driva!
Thelma, how green you?
Hey, man, you block up my shirt with your face in a chop.
Yeah, man, go on. Guilty as charged. You know what you do. Mr. Jones, no worry yourself. No worries. Oh, God, look how they stress out your face. No mind, because me there for you still, you know. Hey, me like you long time, you know. You see, first time me come here and see you, you don't know what me say to myself. It's a pity you already have